students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 17th chapter, that is the pollution of air and water. Okay, in the previous video already we have discussed about the learning objectives and what are the things we are going to learn. Okay, and also specially we have discussed about that air pollution. And air pollution means the contamination of harmful gases, harmful things inside it. That things like smokes, dust and other pollutant gases, and that is called as generally pollutants. Okay, so with this that air is getting that water pollution. But students, today we are going to discuss about the sources of air pollution, where it is coming from, where these pollutants are getting. So you know that students, that actually these pollutants are getting from by the activities of human. Okay, we are polluting to the air. Naturally it is not that much, but specially human activity, due to the human activities, the air or the water, whatever the things is getting pollution. Okay, so how it is that? By the burning of the fossil fuels, by the burning of the woods, by the different activities, by that, because we are needs that some different requirements. For that we are using that automobiles, we are using the industry. From that it is getting what? Smokes, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and due to that it is polluting to that air. Okay, let us discuss about that. What is that sources of air, and by that how that affects to the us, and what are the effects of air pollution we will discuss in this video. So, see students, sources of air pollution. Air gets polluted due to the various human activities as summarized below. So many activities, I have written 6 activities. Due to the human activities, this we are the air is getting pollution. So first of all, burning and combustion of a fuel. You know that students, burning and combustion of the fuel. So students, see, suppose nowadays increasing the populations. According to them, their needs, their transportation, their industrial and also what is that our automobiles, they are increasing number of that. Whenever it is increasing, they are running by that what automobiles, they are running by fossil fuels, which are will burn, means it will gives that what pollutants like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, like that methane gases. It will be which are mixing with that smokes, it will mix with that where air. Okay, second things, industrial emission. I told you, day by day the population of that world it is increasing. So for them needs, they needs their food, they needs their cloth, they needs that so many medicines and so many other things products. These all are made by that industries. So industries are running by that automobiles, also electricity, and by that whenever they are making that product, it is releasing that what different poisonous gases. Okay, so that is the emission of the industrial. Emission from the power plants. You know that our thermal power plantation and also nuclear activities, also nuclear power plantation is there. Due to that we are getting that electricity, we are getting that energy. So that those are radiations, the radiations, radioactivities. Whenever it will be take that reactions, it is mixing with that radioactivities are mixing with that air. So which one we are getting more different types of disease and cancers, also other activity diseases we are facing, and that due to that mixing of that pollutants, it is air is getting pollution. So electricity, by that we are getting, and energy we are getting. For that we are using that water thermal power station. Also we are using that what our nuclear power station. So nuclear plant what we are happening, radioactive reactions are taking place. So that's why radioactivities are mixing with the air. Next, deforestation. Students, deforestation is the one main reasons for that to make that air pollution, because you know that how much carbon dioxide it is increasing in that atmosphere. Then at that time what will happen, if there is number of plants are there, trees are there, they will take that carbon dioxide and it will make that balance. So what will happen, if that you will do that deforestation, that means you will cut that trees, then what will happen, that trees, number of trees will reduce. At that time what will happen, carbon dioxide it will increase. When that carbon dioxide it will increase, then that atmosphere or that air will be get that pollution, and it will get that more heat. Due to that sunlight it will affect and it will trap to the sunlight. Okay, so we will discuss it. Next, use of chlorofluorocarbons in refrigerator. You know that students, in that our refrigerator inside what is that using chlorofluorocarbon one gases we are using also for the cooling purposes, which one whenever it will come out at that time what will happen, it will mix with the air. So that is which one is harmful for the environment. So next we will discuss about that effects of air pollution. If it will affect, if it will the air will get the pollution, then what will happen, what is the effects? So first of all, the air pollutants released in the atmosphere through the various sources are very harmful. Whenever more different air pollutants are released and it will mix with that air, then it will be more harmful for the human beings or for others. So first of all things we will discuss about what is the effect of global warming. Do you know that what's global warming? Global matlab earth, warming matlab heat. That means see, first of all when that air will get that pollution, that time our earth it will increase its concentration. That means temperature concentration it will increase. Okay, that is day by day what will happen, that temperature of the earth will get increase. So that is called as global warming. So one is the increase the concentration of carbon dioxide. Whenever the carbon dioxide it will increase, that time what will happen, the temperature of the globe or the earth will increase. This is the main source for the global warming. That means the concentration of carbon dioxide it will increase. Actual balance is there carbon dioxide, but whenever that carbon dioxide ratio or concentration it will increase, then what will happen, the global will get heat, because when that carbon dioxide ratio it will increase, then it is ready to capture or to trap that sunlight which one is coming from the sun, and when it will trap that sunlight, then it will the temperature will increase of the earth, which one will be more problem. So do you know that greenhouse effect, the trapping of the sunlight radiation by the gas present in the earth atmosphere is called greenhouse effect. It is very important thing, students. Greenhouse effect means it is only one thing, that increasing of the ratio or the concentration of the carbon dioxide. Whenever that gases will increase, at that time what will happen, what the sunlight is directly falling on the earth, that it will be trapped, that means it will capture, and then that air atmosphere all that it will get that heat. Okay, so the causes of global warming are, that means so many causes are there why the global warming we are causing. That is the first thing, deforestation, because we are cutting the trees, the number of that means that quantity, that amount of carbon dioxide is increasing. The burning of fossil fuels, because there are so many automobiles are running day by day, it is increasing that automobiles, and from their smokes where the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, it is increasing and mixing with the air. And next, biological degradation of organic matter present in the sewage by releasing methane gas. You know that whenever the natural gases it will burn, and at the time what will happen, it methane gas it will release. So that which one is affected to that our health, or to it is problem for that air problem, pollution. So it creates that main for the global warming also. So these are generally 3 points I have written, friends. One is deforestation, burning of fossil fuel, biological degradation, for that it is for that global warming. Why it is happening that global warming? Because of deforestation, because if you cut that plants, then it that carbon dioxide gas will be released, because plant cannot receive that all that much of carbon dioxide if it will reduce. Okay, same like fossil fuels and degradation of that biological degradation. If you do that compulsory, that global warming will come. Okay, thank you all of you students. We will discuss about that. What is that effects it will come up. By that way, you will see that friends, whenever it will be happen that global warming it will come, then what will happen? Number of that temperature of the what is the effects of that air pollution. When that air pollution will increase, that means carbon dioxide or other gases it will increase. First things what will happen, friends, our that sunlight or the temperature of the earth will increase. When the temperature of earth will increase, that means we cannot exist in the earth. The second things what will happen, whenever that ratio or the concentration of the carbon dioxide it will increase, then we will take that breathing and we will face the number of disease, and we cannot get the proper oxygen or pure oxygens. Second, next what happens, friends, whenever that it will increasing that other pollutants and other that temperature, so when it will come, and other plantation it won't come, and you cannot do that plantation also, and acid rain also will come, and so many problems you will face in the future generation. So students, you have to take care about that these effects, and you have to control to our unnecessary burning things or to make the air pollutants. Okay, thank you all of you.